Today I would like to show how to get special effects in programming engravings on parts with help of TruTopsBoost and programming tube. In use with the special instruction TC_write, which is supported by the new and newest Trumpf machine. The TC_write is a special function that allows to get on the parts a particular kind of information, but it's a closed spectrum of the data which we can get with this instruction to our parts. I will show an extension of thinking about this usage of this instruction and show you the possibilities you can get with a special configuration adjustment and a small additional software tool in addition to the standard equipment TruTops or TruTopsBoost. In the text zone we have a small part 400 to 500 millimeters with already placed TC_write instruction. I just show how we get this instruction to our program in the technology. We have here the functionality insert cycle, and here we have the standard cycles of TC_write where we can put free text on machine control, the date, the main program name, the time, or the time date function. This is in the standard. I prepared a special TC_write_JJ, which I would like to show what is possible to get with this instruction. Okay, now we have the part. We can release our program. I release the production package, and with a standard LST preview of the LST files, we can check what we got engraved on our part. Simply part ID. It says nothing more than it says, but now our play starts. I will go now in the special script which configures the behavior of that moment where we release the program and the moment where we show our preview of the program. With this script there will happen something on our LST file, and I show how it works. Now we checked the behavior when we had set the variant 0, do nothing. Now I say we will check what happens if I put in my script parameters that I would like to try the variant 1, and in the variant 1 I will place the text which will be combined with 3 lines here in the case variant 1, and let us try what will happen. I save this. Now I revoke my production package. I will release the package again. I will wait a few seconds. I will switch to the preview of the LST file and I make the reload function. Now we can check what is engraved on our part. I like Trumpf, as expected. Okay, it means the script is working. Let us try another options. The option number 2, the variant 2, and here I can explain that we can build other variants. We can add additional possibilities to get data for our engravings. Now I will check the variant number 2, where we will get with special functions to our part the properties of the part from the LST file, and we will get the part ID, we will get the dimensions of the part and the material of the part combined in 3 lines again. Okay, I saved it now. The same play. I release my production package, and after a few seconds I will use the file, reload, and now we got what expected. We got the part ID, we got the material designations and the dimensions of the part. Looks good. Then the next variant. The next variant is where we set here, of course, this variable to 3 and maybe some additional explanations. In this script I can give to the module which makes this wonders additional informations about the used font number and the used height of the font in the engraving. In this case we have 10 millimeters. Okay, then we will check the variant 3, and in the variant 3 the system will use for the engraving a content of a text file. I will give here contacts, the name on the file. I will adjust the parameters of the first variant. At this time I save it and let us check. Revoke, release, the same play, wait a few seconds, data, load, and now we get a multi-line text of the text file contacts, where we stored all the contact data for the departments of the company Trumpf in Poland. The next variant, it's only just for show how it easy works. The variant 4, yes, revoke, release, and let us check. It was too fine, no. And you can see what we get when we do in our way the standard function TSUWrite. What can we get and how fast the variety of information put on the data files programmed with TruTops, TruTopsBoost or Programming Tube. For Programming Tube and TruTops Tube, I think I prepare a special presentation because there are some special features which should be observed while programming that. I hope that you understand the idea, but maybe one explanation how it was prepared from the TruTopsBoost side. Here in the file adjust machine, in the NC output random cycles, you have here the standard TSUWrite, TSUWrite main, TSUWrite time, TSUWrite time and date. Based on the TSUWrite, I prepared TSUWrite JJ, and with small adjustments in the parameters or in the contents of the text cycles. I put in here a special symbol, part ID. It's the name of the script file placed somewhere on the disk, which is used for the additional tool to adjust the final version of the LST file, which gets this possibility. With the help of this adjustment, we will get as a result a random text which we can engrave on our parts. Thank you for your attention. Please contact on any question us at tops@pl.trumpf.com. Thank you.